Hello, welcome to how to use the developer console in Remedyforce. In this video, we will show you how to use the developer console for capturing the debug logs and writing and executing SQL queries, followed by the demo section. Let's quickly move to the demo sections. First, you need to log in the Salesforce org or the Remedyforce org, and once login under your name, just click on the developer console. So it will open the developer console window. Once you open the developer console, you can see two panes. The first pan is the source code editor where you can write, view and modify your code. Like you can see the file menus, and here you can write the code. The second panel is where you can view the logs, errors and other informations and writing queries to interact with the records in your org. So we'll be talking about the pan 2 where we can see the debug logs and we can use the query editor. So first let's have a look on the debug logs, how we can see the debug logs in the developer console. So for that we need to go back to the Remedyforce org and we can enable the debug logs here. So let's check it for 10 minutes. 7, click on save. So you can see once it is enabled, you can see the logs here, the old logs. You can delete those old logs. I have deleted all the old logs now from the org. Now I can perform the actions to capture the logs, cloning this incident. So I've created a new case. Now go back to the developer console and we'll see that the logs are captured. So if you open the developer console, the logs, you can see these various actions. You can maximize this. So these are the debug logs. So if you want to details, click on particular row. So it will be maximized here. So these are the debug logs and which can be helpful in troubleshooting our issues. If you want to clear the logs, then you need to click on the debug menu and then click on clear log panel. So in this way it will be, the logs will be clear. Now we can show you how we can use the query editor to interact with our Salesforce org records. So suppose if you want to know the number of records in your incident object, that how many records are there in the incident object, so we need to write a query. We need to go to the query editor and write a query here like select count from BMC service incident object, or you can write your object name here, click on execute. So it will show the results in the panel 1. So there are total number of 4 records in my incident object. This is the one scenario. And the second scenario, suppose if you want to modify any field of any incident from the developer console. So for that I have written a query, select ID, name, resolution field, queue name, category, client ID from incident. Now click on execute. It will show you the records, and suppose if you want to modify any records, you need to click here and write resolve and click on the save rows button. You can click on the refresh grid to see the updated records. So you can see now, or you can go to the Remedyforce org and open this 721 record. You can see the resolution field is updated with the words that we have used in the console. Suppose if you want to delete the record from the org, then you just need to select any row and click on the delete row off. Click on yes and you can refresh the grid. You now see there are only 3 records. So one record is deleted from here. So from here you can also create a new record. Like if you click on create new, it will open a incident object form, and from here you can create a new incident. Similarly, if you want to open the detail page, or if you want to edit any existing incident, you just click on these buttons. This concludes how to use the developer console in Remedyforce. I hope this video was informative and thanks for watching.